So scientists have been trying and failing to make this one unique fungal molecule since 1970, and they finally done it. That's the story of verticillin A, a compound found in fungi that scientists have been obsessed with for half a century, and that research suggests could fight certain types of brain cancer. So MIT chemists just published the breakthrough in the Journal of the American Chemical Society. But get this, back in 2009, the same lab had already made an almost identical compound. The difference was 2 oxygen atoms. Sounds like nothing, but apparently those 2 atoms matter. As the lead professor put it, they make the molecule so much more fragile, so much more sensitive, that even with years of chemical advancements, it kept falling apart. In the end, the breakthrough came down to timing. The team had to completely rethink their approach, changing the order of 16 incredibly delicate steps and adding chemical masks to protect sensitive parts at exactly the right moments. And then there's the cancer potential. Inspired by previous research hinting at anti-cancer properties of similar compounds, they tested verticillin A against diffuse midline glioma, a rare and absolutely brutal pediatric brain cancer. And the early results are promising, especially against cancer cells with high levels of a protein called EZHIP, which researchers think could be a key drug target. Interestingly, the natural version of verticillin A isn't even the most effective. Now that they can synthesize it, they've created modified variants that work even better. We're still in the early days, these are lab tests, not human trials, but next up are animal studies, and if those work out, in a few years we could be looking at new treatments for cancers that currently have very few options. You can read more and find the sources at mushies.co.uk.